Ah yes, the Homo sapien DIY filmentus. 1 year into his quest for digital dominance, armed with little more than a pile of projects, some stubbornness, and a camera that has more buttons, settings, and intelligence than he does.
It's been almost a year now since I posted my first video on YouTube, with dreams of weekly videos and maybe a viral hit or two. Binge watched every YouTube guru video I could find. Top 5 tips for explosive growth and how I gained 100,000 subscribers in 30 days. You know the drill. Like I was cramming for the final exam I didn't sign up for. I thought to myself, I could post weekly, maybe catch a viral hit or two, and hit that magic 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs in what, maybe 6 to 8 months? Now, with just under 30 videos and a few shorts sprinkled in, here's how that's going. I genuinely thought I could post once a week. I had all the ideas. DIY camper builds, kitchen cooks, pallet furniture. And I thought, this is gonna be great. I didn't realize how long editing takes, or how tough thumbnails are, or how a project that takes 1 weekend to build takes another 3 to film, edit, voiceover, and make it into something that doesn't completely bore people. My job outside of YouTube is an on-call hospice nurse. 7 days on, 7 days off, 16-hour shifts. I'm basically the 911 for my patients. When there's a crisis, I'm the one that goes. My wife says I only have to work half the year, which sounds great until you try functioning after a shift. It's exhausting.
It is here, somewhere between hospice visits, that he mentally storyboards YouTube videos while navigating traffic, plotting CapCut timelines in his head, like a man solving a puzzle with one hand on the wheel and the other on a coffee.
I thought I could separate work and content creation easily. I couldn't. There are times I filmed exhausted, edited when I should have slept, or skipped projects I wanted to do just because I was running on fumes. Yeah, this used to be my stepson Jack's room, but now it's me and my wife's headquarters. Complete with shared desk negotiations, calendar turf wars, and yes, an office chair with pink highlights that I absolutely did not choose. But I just finished remodeling a space for him down in the man cave. Actually, I just dropped that video. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out after this one. Okay, I'm rambling on about my wife's post-it note empire. Let's zoom back to the real drama. My brain's love affair with dopamine. Dopamine, that glorious brain spark that surges when you hit the upload.
And here, in the untamed wilderness of the YouTube ecosystem, we observe the creator in its natural habitat, basking in the fleeting euphoria of dopamine. Yet, alas, the analytics tab looms like a predator in the undergrowth, poised to snuff out such fleeting joys.
Snuffed out is right. 1 second, I'm glued to the dashboard watching views climb like they're auditioning for a blockbuster. Then poof, nothing. Views flatline, comments dry up, subscribers scatter like they've seen a pop-up ad. I've tried every trick of the book. Clickbait titles, tags that scream SEO, thumbnails with my face doing that shocked expression. Even shorts. Sometimes it's gold. Sometimes it's like I yeeted my video into a digital abyss.
Behold the YouTube algorithm, a mercurial deity of the digital savannah. It toys with its subjects, bestowing fleeting glory upon one video, only to cast another into the shadow of obscurity. A game of chance played with the elegance of a gazelle and the whimsy of a particularly capricious baboon.
Capricious is putting it mildly. It's like throwing darts blindfolded in a monsoon while the dartboard's strapped to a Roomba with a vendetta. One day you're trending, the next you're begging your family to watch your video just to crack double-digit views.
A poignant struggle indeed, yet in this harsh digital wilderness, the creator persists, driven by hope and the faint promise of a viral moment. Shall we venture deeper into the analytics jungle, or retreat to nurse the wounds of a 2% retention rate?
My sanity's already on life support. But you tell me, what's your worst analytic nightmare? Drop it in the comments below, because misery loves company. You know, I'm no expert, and most of my projects aren't groundbreaking. But that's the point. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to start. You try, you fail, you fix it. You keep going. And I honestly believe that's how you get better. So did I reach my goal for my 1 year? Nope. But that's okay, because you know, goals should always be just a little out of reach. So if you're just starting out, or if your channel's stuck in the mud, welcome to the club. Keep building, keep learning, and keep going.
And if this tale hit home, give it a like, would you? Subscribe if you're into stubborn builds, sarcastic narrators, and watching him figure it all out the hard way. And if snacks are involved, well, even better.
Especially the snacks. But seriously, drop a comment and let me know if you felt any of this too, because I know I'm not alone.